People of Kharjim, I'm sure you guys loved what you saw yesterday and what Kharjim Khana and the voice of KG dished out to you. It was lovely. What a great performance by all these people. You take it from the 5 to 12 or 21 to 54. It was brilliant.
It was amazing.
Now, the party is going on. अब पार्टी अभी बाकी है, खत्म नहीं
पिक्चर
हुए,
अभी बाकी है, मेरे
पिक्चर भी
दोस्त।
है, पार्टी भी है, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने भी है, अभी तो आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या. In fact, today is a full new episode which we're going to have with two groups in them, and that's going to be followed by the prize distribution. So please don't run away once you see all the performances. The performances for today are going to be between for the teenagers,
Yeah.
and the next for the seniors.
Exactly. We have Group B members. The age group is from 21 years, 13 years to 20 years. And the first contestant is Laisha Waleja. She is amazing. She's talented. She plays sitar also.
Wow.
And she learns vocal. She learns from Guru Gaurav Mazroomdar. And she learns from 3 years. Her music brings peace to her. And she really sings for her other guru, Ravi Shankarji also. So she participates in many concerts too.
Wow.
So today we have her with us, Laisha Walecha. Let's be on a spiritual trip with her.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Jai Gurudeva 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 Jai Gurudeva 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 Jai Gurudeva 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 Jai Jai Ganesh Jai Jai Ganesh Jai Jai Ganesh Devi Saraswati Devi Saraswati Devi Saraswati Jai Ho 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 Jai Ho. रहना नहीं देश वीराना है, रहना नहीं देश वीराना है, ये संसार कागज की पुड़िया, संसार कागज की पुड़िया, बूंद पड़े घुल जाना है, बूंद पड़े घुल जाना है, रहना नहीं देश वीराना है.
You're so cute, Lesha. It was so nice to hear shlokas from such a small girl. Well done. Keep it up.
Wow, what a beginning to the day, man. Brilliant. It was lovely. Very nice. I hope you guys loved it. The next singer is very talented. I've personally done a duet with her when I sang with her on the shores of Mumbai on Cart Road. We performed a duet together. Very, very talented girl. Sings brilliantly well. I mean, she's been learning for many, many years, I'm sure. She's been learning Ajivasan.
Ajivasan, yeah.
Yeah, it's really true. Go on.
She's Yana Khilnani, and she's bringing another classical song.
Wow.
I mean, this is the first classical song tonight, and it is from movie Kalank,
Mm-hmm.
and it's sung by Shreya Ghoshal, and excellent music by Preetham and lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya.
Wow.
Let's enjoy Yana.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए। तदियनदीं दिरताना दिरिनों तदियनदीं दिरताना दिरिनों तदियनदीं। रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, सातों जन्म से सिया घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया। दीप्ता दीप्ता नन देरिना, दीप्ता दीप्ता नन देरिना, तनि समा सगमना नीदा मागा पा गम प सा सा गम प नी नी गम प नि द प म ग रे ग म द प रे म प द म प नि नि द प म प ग म रे स नि स रे रे म म प प ध द म नि 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 रे स नि द नि द प म प द नि द प म ग रे स नि स रे रे ग। न तो मैया की लोरी ना ही फागुन की होरी मोहे, कुछ दूसरा न भाई रे। जब से नैना ये जाके एक धनुर्धर से लागे, तब से बिरहा मोहे सताए रे। हाँ न तो मैया की लोरी ना ही फागुन की होरी मोहे, कुछ दूसरा ना भाई रे। जब से नैना ये जाके एक धनुर्धर से लागे, तब से बिरहा मोहे सताए रे। दुविधा मेरी सब जग जाने, दुविधा मेरी सब जग जाने, जाने न निर्मोहिया घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया।
Hi Anna. First I'd like to appreciate you for singing such a difficult song. You are very good in rhythm. Just work more towards your suurs and expressions. All the best.
Wow.
So good.
Yana, to great on that. She's too good, this girl, man. Lord. Very nice. You know, in fact, all these teenagers whom we have in this group are super talented.
Yeah, they are.
This next guy has not only sung the song, gone with the flow of the song, but played the guitar for the song. I mean, I could never do that. I love to play the guitar and learn to play the guitar, but this guy actually gone and done it. Brilliant. These teenagers are too good.
I
You
know.
must see him and hear him. He's
Yes,
really, really
yes, I do agree. The next singer is Bimal Mirchandani. He's singing a beautiful song of Kishorda from movie Kati Patang, and music again by R.D. Burman
Wow.
and lyrics by Anand Bakshi.
good. Excellent.
You can just
You swing by it, man. Brilliant song. Just enjoy it. I think it's going to be lovely.
Let's enjoy Bimal Mirchandani.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। हो दूर रहती है तू, मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं। हो ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पी जाए। शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए, तेरी ओर लिए जाए, तेरी ओर लिए जाए।
Hey Bimal, this is Sandeep. I just heard your song Ye Sham Mastani by the great Kishore Kumar. I'm a big fan of Kishore Kumar. I love all his songs. I've been singing his songs for a very, very long time. Let me tell you, you did amazing. You know, I love that you were playing the guitar, you were enjoying yourself. And the most important thing, what I loved was, you know, you were also putting your own little elements to it. And I love your voice. You know, your voice is going to change a lot depending, you know, on your age now. But I like the husky tone that kind of you have right now. And you were adding your own little elements to it, which was great. I loved it. If I had to say something, then I would say just pay attention to some of the notes. And I'm sure you're learning. So keep practicing, keep singing, keep playing the guitar, and you're going to go places. Beautiful song selection. Very nicely done. Thanks a lot.
Wow, what a super talented bunch of teenagers.
Too good.
Now to take the story on for tonight, we have the next group. They're very talented, very energetic, and they are really going for music, you know. They've made it in life. They've got where they had to. This is the bunch of people who are plus 55. The first singer was actually my first duet partner. First time I sang a duet in my life was with Raji Kakade, and it was a lovely experience. She's a very talented singer. She knows a lot about music. She's done so many shows and been judges in so many places. And in fact, I heard she learned to play the Tanpura also. Brilliant.
She
Damn
plays
good.
Tanpura from a long time, and she's also the charter member of Khar Gymkhana Singers Club.
Wow.
Naushil, she plays Tanpura from a long time.
Wow, I didn't know that.
She
Yeah,
learns
really.
from Guru Kartik Prasad ji and Vishal sir.
Wow. Do you know, in fact, Raji's performed twice, I've seen her, in Jew Citizens in Juhu
Yeah.
and in the amphitheatre in Cart Road, and she did a brilliant performance. It was
Yeah,
very good.
and she was a charter member of our Singers Club.
Wow, never knew that. Yeah.
She's bringing a classic song for us, Aayo Kahan Se Ghanshyam.
क्या बात है?
It's a rag based song again. It's on rag Khamach for you all. It's a lovely song. Let's hear Raji Kakade.
Go for it, Raji.
Raji ji, this was a very difficult song, but your attempt was quite good. Please try and work more on your paltas.
I hope you guys are enjoying these performances. Yeah, it's been lovely. And,
Lovely.
you know, it's
Lovely,
really
Raji.
nice. Yeah. The next performer is actually a googly for me, you know. This guy was like the king of cars in Mumbai. Once upon a time, every foreign car you saw in Mumbai was given by this guy. He was one of the kings of imported cars in India, I would say. Actually, all the actors, everyone used the cars given by him.
Yeah.
And he sang. He came to our Singers Club audition, and he was brilliant there too. Really, he's really a talented guy.
Yeah, I
Lovely.
must say Nalin Choksi is singing a beautiful song, Har Gadi Badal Rahi Hai.
Wow.
And it's, I mean, an
Is
amazing
Hal
song.
Gadi or Hal Gadi badal rahi hai?
For him it's that, but for us it's Har Gadi Badal Rahi Hai.
Kya baat hai?
From Kal Ho Na Ho, Nalin Choksi for you all.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वही सब से हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। पलकों के लेके साए, पास कोई जो आए, लाख संभालो पागल दिल को, दिल धड़के ही जाए, पर सोच लो इस पल है जो वो दास्तां कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो. Thank you.
Hello Nalinji, this is Sandeep. Truly enjoyed watching your song Har Ghadi Badal Rahi Hai. Very nicely done. I enjoyed the fact that, you know, you were on stage, you were enjoying yourself, you were singing to a crowd, and it was nice. It was very nicely done. Especially I loved the last part of the line, you know, Ji Bhar Jio. That was very nicely done. So keep singing, keep having fun. Thanks for singing for us. Thank you.
Wow, what a song, Nalinji. Brilliant.
Very nice.
Beep, beep. Brilliant. Okay, for the next singer, she's too good. And she's a perfectionist. Huh? She's too good and she's a perfectionist. Whenever I sing a song with her, she has the entire scripting ready, she has all the songs ready, all the lyrics done, and she tell you, hey, तूने गलत गाया, बराबर गा, ये सा ऐसा लगा, वो सुर ऐसा लगा. She's too good. Very talented lady. Yeah,
Yeah,
very, very
she is.
talented.
She's Asha Bachchani, and she's a fabulous singer. She's voice of our Kharjimkhana Singers Club again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And she's into naturopathy too, I think, you know. She does
Yeah,
all these things
exactly.
with all points and
Exactly.
very, very good.
She does
Brilliant.
that, and she's bringing a very beautiful number.
Yeah.
Jo Bheji Thi Dua.
Oh, I love this.
And the music is by Vishal Shekhar.
Ah,
So let's enjoy this a semi-rocking song,
What
you
a
can say,
song.
because her
What a
voice
song.
is a lot of bass, and the song is quite rocking. So let's
Lovely.
enjoy.
किसे पूछूं है ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशां सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी से कई फासले हैं बस जीते हैं ये सपने क्यों आंखों में लकीरें जब छूटे इन हाथों से यूं बेवजह जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा सांसों ने कहा मुख मोड़ लिया कोई राह नजर में न आए धड़कन ने कहा दिल छोड़ दिया कहा छोड़े इन जिस्मों में साए यही बार बार सोचता हूँ तन्हा मैं यहाँ मेरे साथ साथ चल रहा है यादों का धुआं जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा आशा जी क्या बात है singing this song without any support of music and still singing in perfect pitch excellent सुर ताल बहुत अच्छा very good congratulations keep it up
wow, Asha, what a performance.
So
Lovely,
good.
man. She's too
So
good.
good.
Brilliant and perfection to the T, as always. This show is lovely. You know why? Because it's got the entire gamut of ages around us. From the 5-year-old to the next singer who's 87 years old.
Yes.
He's singing so clearly at this age. No, I hope actually I survived till 78. Forget singing at 87. It's a brilliant thing. I mean, it's really hats off to him. And not only singing, he's even played the keyboard.
Keyboard, yeah.
You know, I mean, he's doing it all on his own. Brilliant, sir. God bless. Hats
And
off.
at this age, he's also learning from a guru from
Kya baat
maybe
hai.
1.5 year. He's learning from B.S. Gianni, sir. And he has played this keyboard also. So he's learned all
Yeah,
of that at
superb.
this age.
Yeah, really.
And he's singing a very evergreen, lovely song, Agar Mujhse Mohabbat Hai.
Has to be evergreen, no? 87.
Beautiful, beautiful one. So let's enjoy Nandlal ji.
Lovely.
अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है मुझे सब अपने गम दे दो इन आँखों का हर एक आंसू मुझे मेरी कसम दे दो अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है गम अपना कम बना लूं तो कराना है तुम्हारा दर्द सीधे में छुपा लूं तो कराना है वो हर सांस तुम्हें दुख दे मुझे मेरे सनम दे दो अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है सारी के जिंदगी को सारी के गम नहीं करते दुखों को बांट के क्यों दुखों को कम नहीं करते तरफती इस दिल की थोड़ी सी मुझे मेरे सनम दे दो अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है अब मुझको कभी आंसू नजर आए सदा तरसी रहे आंखें सदा होठों मुस्कुराए मुझे अपनी कभी आए मुझे दर्द आलम दे दो मुझसे मोहब्बत है मुझे सब अपने गम दे दो इन आँखों का हर एक आंसू मुझे मेरी कसम दे दो अगर मुझसे मोहब्बत है
Hello, Nandlal ji. This is Sandeep. Thank you so much for singing and playing this beautiful song for us. I absolutely loved it. The great Lata Mangeshkar has sung this and music by the great Madan Mohan. This actually took me back because my dad used to play these songs for me when I was growing up. Thank you so much again for singing and playing for us. Thank you.
क्या बात सर जी?
Too good.
Too good, yeah. Pussy great, brilliant. The next singer, she's really good, huh? Have you heard her? I've heard her many times, and I've sang a few duets with her also. Very, very talented, very learned. She's been learning in Ajivasana, if I'm not mistaken, for many, many years. She's given a lot of, and she's gone abroad now, and she teaches there, I guess. I think in the US.
Yes,
She's teaching
yes.
some people there. Brilliant, very talented lady.
Yeah, he's talking about none other than Leela Damle. She's trained with Guru Kartik Prasad ji and of course Ajivasan. and she's singing today a song which she just prepared in 2 days.
Yeah.
Rose, Rose, Dali, Dali. It's a beautiful song.
Wow.
And look at it. She just told me it's 2 days preparation and this song is there for us.
Wow.
And it's got a lovely lyrics by Gulzarji and R.D. Burman's music in this song. And let's enjoy this semi-classical song by Leena Damle.
Yeah.
रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा बावरा रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा कलियों के नाम कोई लिखे पैगाम कोई कलियों के नाम कोई लिखे पैगाम कोई बावरा भंवरा बावरा रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा बावरा बीते हुए मौसम की कोई निशानी होगी पम पा मगमा गरिगा निरे निमा गरि पा बीते हुए मौसम की कोई निशानी होगी दर्द पुराना कोई याद पुरानी होगी दर्द पुराना कोई याद पुरानी होगी कोई तो दास्ता होगी ना रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा बावरा होगा कोई वादा होगा वादा निभाता होगा हाँ होगा कोई वादा होगा वादा निभाता होगा शाखों पे लिख कर याद दिलाता होगा शाखों पे लिख कर याद दिलाता होगा याद तो आती होगी ना रोज रोज डाली डाली रोज रोज डाली डाली रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा बावरा
Leena ji, wow, what a performance. Superb sur and tal. And you sang with such great expressions. Superb. I thoroughly enjoyed. All the best.
Wow, Leena, what a performance. Kai baat.
Too
Brilliant, too good. She's too good, man. Okay, the next performer we all love.
Me too.
He's the one and only king of Kharjun Khana, I always call it. I'm a big fan of his. Personally, since I was a kid, massive fan. It's too good, man. The
Yeah.
guy is brilliant looking, brilliant human being. What a guy. You know, he's a heartbreaker of millions of women all around town and Kharjun Khana. So it's a brilliant guy. I mean, he's going to perform the next song in his style, and it's
Yes,
Shyamji
we
style,
have
typical.
Shyam Shroff ji singing next for us, and he learns from Mrs. Chaya Mukherjee.
Ah, wow.
At this age also he learns.
Shyamji learns.
Yeah.
बोला ही नहीं है मेरे को. Brilliant.
And he's singing a lovely song, Zindagi Khwab
Yeah.
Hai.
Oh, lovely. And he's a total entertainer. Believe me.
It's a-
brilliant.
Yeah, it's a song sung by Mukesh ji, and here we have Shyam ji.
Shyamji, you know what? Actually, people just don't want to hear him sing. People want to see him sing because
Yes.
he performs along with his singing, and that's a brilliant. You know,
And today is a
talent he's
different
got.
avatar.
Brilliant.
Let's see.
क्या बात है.
जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. सब सच है. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. फिर कभी फुर्सत से सोचेंगे बुरा था या भला. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. एक कतरा मैं का जब पत्थर से होठों पर पड़ा. एक कतरा मैं का जब पत्थर से होठों पर पड़ा. उसके सीने में भी दिल धड़का, ये उसने भी कहा. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. एक प्याली भर के मैंने गम के मारे दिल को दी. एक प्याली भर के मैंने गम के मारे दिल को दी. जहर ने मारा, जहर तो मुर्दे में फिर जान आ गई क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. ला 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 ला.
Shyam Shroff ji, my God, your performance has been like amazing. I just can't express. I am completely zapped. I'm completely mesmerized. I'm completely, impressed, sir. I never knew that you are such a rock star. I just loved every bit of your performance, be it your choreography with that lungi, be it that prop of yours, which is a bottle of wine, or sorry, liquor, and you've been drinking and enjoying, and of course this song is what a philosophical song, and ऐसे गाने तो आजकल के टाइम में और भी ज़्यादा सुनने चाहिए. और and your voice, मुझे एक पल को ऐसा लगा जैसे हेमंत कुमार जी गा रहे हैं. So I'm so glad to see this side of yours, and sir, keep it up. Thank you for choosing me to judge these kind of performances. You all are just as tremendous, and Shyam ji, keep it up.
क्या बात श्याम जी, too good, always brilliant as always. Yeah. वो जाम और ये जाम same alcohol, only different color. Any which ways, the next singer is too good. She is called the Lata Mangeshkar of Kharjan Khana, lovingly by me, and I call her Lata Tai. Her name is Mangla Nath, and people call her Mangla Tai, but I call her Lata Tai. And she'll always go, shoo, no shill, asa nahi khanga cha.
Shoo, no shill.
वो शू मारेगी मेरे को यार. She's too sweet also. Very learned, very good singer. You must hear her. She doesn't miss one bit of the entire story. If you're going wrong somewhere, you say, hey, tera sur wrong gaya boss. Sahi kaha. She's too good. Very learned.
Stopping none other than Mangla ji. She's a very old singer from Kharjan Khana. She learns from Guru Kartik Prasad ji and Guru Dayal ji from last 10 years. She's singing a lovely song of Rita Madhuri and music by Varmanda.
Yeah.
And she's got extremely melodious voice. Let's witness her song from movie Abhiman. Let's enjoy.
It's going to be brilliant. Yeah. She's too good.
Let's enjoy.
Really good. What a voice.
ऐसे उलझ
मंगला नाथ जी, आपने बहुत बहुत टफ सॉन्ग उठाया एंड आई मस्ट से दैट यू डिड कंप्लीट जस्टिस टू इट. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Ratna Tai, तुम्ही great हो. She's too good, man.
Too good.
Bangla,
Too good.
brilliant. God bless. As good as always. The next song is the only duet actually we have in this entire show, yesterday and today together. A loving couple. What a beautiful song. So well sung, and they're still so much in love. It's brilliant to see. After so many years, brilliant.
Yeah, the
Lovely.
next singers are Seema Basantani and Rajkumar ji, and they are singing a very beautiful duet. मेरा प्यार भी तू है, ये जहाँ भी तू है. Very nice, very
Yeah.
beautiful song. Let's enjoy and
See the love in between them. Great, lovely.
चांस मध्ये गाणं गायलं तर आपण ते सांगू.
पेंडिंग था इसके लिए गाया.
आप एंजॉय करो, हम भी एंजॉय करें.
आनंद जी ने बोला था एक डुएट पेंडिंग है. मेरा प्यार भी तू है, ये बहार भी तू है, तू ही नजरों में जाने तमन्ना, तू ही नजारों में.
मेरा प्यार भी तू है, बहार तू ही नजरों में
नजारों में.
वो कौन है enjoy? तू ही तो मेरा नील गगन है, प्यार से रोशन आँख उठाए.
और घटा के रूप में तू है, कांधे पे मेरे सर को झुकाए. मुझ पे नटे दिखराए. मेरा प्यार भी तू है, ये बहार भी तू है, तू ही नजरों में जाने तमन्ना, तू ही नजारों में, नजारों में.
Caller taking care, sitting at home. Enjoying your body.
मंजिल मेरे दिल की वही है, साया जहाँ दिलदार है तेरा.
पल पल पर तेरी अदाएं, गुलशन गुलशन प्यार है तेरा, महके आंचल मेरा.
मेरा प्यार भी तू है, ये बहार भी तू है,
तू ही नजरों में जाने
तमन्ना, तू ही
नजारों में,
नजारों में.
क्या दिन का ख्वाब है जैसे, देख मिलन का दिन ये सुहाना.
आँख तो तेरे जलवों में गुम है, देखूं तुझे या देखूं जमाना, बेखुद है दीवाना. मेरा प्यार भी तू है, ये बहार भी तू है, तू ही नजरों में जाने तमन्ना, तू ही नजारों में, नजारों में.
सीमा जी ने बहुत ही अच्छा गाया है, अपने हस्बैंड के साथ मिलकर डुएट गाया है. एंथुजियाज्म वाज सुपर. बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय करके गा रहे थे. दे वर थॉरली एंजॉयिंग व्हेन दे वर सिंगिंग, लाफिंग टुगेदर, एंड दोनों को साथ में देख के बहुत मजा आया.
क्या बात सर, ब्रिलियंट, lovely song, very nice. The next singer, you must see her. What energy, brilliant. I mean, एक गाना होता है और एक गाने को प्रेजेंटेशन होता है और एक उसके साथ में परफॉर्मेंस होता है. This next performance is going to take you to all the three things together. You must see it. Lovely, so cute, really nice. The singer is Veenu Gurbakshani, and she's done a brilliant job of this song.
Yeah,
Really.
Veenu ji learns from Veer Balaji from last 2 years, and
Wow,
music,
Veer Balaji.
yeah,
Okay.
is a stress buster for her. So she's singing a very beautiful song from movie Alvela, Shola Jo Bhadke, Dil Mera Dhadke,
you must
an
see it.
evergreen, lovely,
Lovely,
song
lovely
by
energy also.
Veenu ji. Let's enjoy.
शोला जो भर के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भर के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बर बर के, शोला जो भर के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भर के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बर बर के. महकी हवाएं बहके कदम मेरे, ऐसे में थाम लो आके बलम मेरे. महकी हवाएं बहके कदम मेरे, ऐसे में थाम लो आके बलम मेरे. पत्ता बिखर के तो बिजली सी तरके, पत्ता बिखर के तो बिजली सी तरके, दर्द जवानी का सताए बर बर के, करके शोला जो बढ़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बर बर के. प्यार को मेरे किसने पुकारा, दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा. प्यार को मेरे किसने पुकारा, दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा. यादें किसकी लाई पकड़ के, यादें किसकी लाई पकड़ के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बर बर के. दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भर के दिल मेरा धड़के, जवानी का सताए बर बर के.
वीनू जी ने गाना चूज किया शोला जो भड़के, एंड आई थिंक शी हैज डन कंप्लीट जस्टिस टू द सॉन्ग. उन्होंने डांस के साथ साथ सिंग किया है. उनका एंथुजियाज्म वाज अमेजिंग एंड इट हैज बीन सो मच फन वॉचिंग हर. आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज लिसनिंग टू हर इवन आई स्टार्टेड shaking my shoulders, a bit. So it was a lot of fun watching her.
क्या बात, you saw it? I told you, lovely performance. The next performer, it's too good. I love this guy. Superb human being, so humble, such a big guy. He's really he's one of the tycoons of this city, one of the biggest builders, one of the most powerful people in Kharjim and around in his building fraternity. He's not only one of the top builders, he's also the president of NEREDCO for the Western region, and he's so humble.
Yeah,
He's a
he
very,
is.
very nice human being. and he does so much of work for the public in general. He does so much of philanthropy, and he does a lot of work for the downtrodden, people who need help, and he's always there. He's never said no to anyone, and he always helps a lot of people. Love this guy. He's really brilliant. Ashok ji, तुसी great हो. दो हाथ से सलाम, एक भी नहीं.
Yeah.
Two
So
words,
the next
God
singer
bless you.
is Ashok Monani.
Yeah.
He's also the voice of KG Singers Club and a popular voice. He's singing a very melodious romantic song. दिल क्या करे
क्या बात.
जब किसी को
Very nice, man.
किसी से प्यार हो जाए. The movie Julie. Who can forget that beautiful composition and lovely song? Let's hear Ashok Monani.
Yes, sir.
जैसे पर्वत पे घटा झुकती है, जैसे सागर पे लहर उठती है, ऐसे किसी चेहरे पे निगाह रुकती है. जैसे पर्वत पे घटा झुकती है, जैसे सागर से लहर उठती है, ऐसे किसी चेहरे पे निगाह रुकती है. ओ रोक नहीं सकती नजरों को दुनिया भर की रस्में, ना कुछ तेरे बस में चूरी, ना कुछ मेरे बस में. दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए, जाने कहाँ कब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए. तेरी याद में सबको भुला दूं, दुनिया को तेरी तस्वीर बना दूं. मेरा बस चले तो दिल चीर के दिखा दूं. मैं तेरी याद में सबको भुला दूं, दुनिया को तेरी तस्वीर बना दूं. मेरा बस चले तो दिल चीर के दिखा दूं. ओ दौड़ रहा है साथ लहू के, प्यार तेरा नस नस में, ना कुछ तेरे बस में जुई, ना कुछ मेरे बस में. दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए, जाने कहाँ कब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए. ऊंची ऊंची दीवारों सी इस दुनिया की रस्में, ना कुछ तेरे बस में जुई, ना कुछ मेरे बस में. दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए, जाने कहाँ कब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए.
Ashok Mohanani ji, what a lovely performance and such a fantabulous song, Julie, which is a favorite of all of us. And you really sang very nicely, very in perfect romantic moods. Thank you.
Ashok ji, kya baat, too good, lovely. You know, everything in life comes to an end.
Yes.
Corona bhi end होना ही पड़ेगा.
होना ही पड़ेगा. Yes.
So has this show also has to end. Sadly, I'm sure you guys enjoyed this 2 days spending with this madness of between me and Himali, but I'm sure they loved it. No?
I'm sure.
Anyways. But the show has to go on, and the last show today, the last singer today is Shameen Bhootwala ji. She's a very good singer.
She is.
And she's done a fabulous job. I think you must look at she's actually sang the song very well and a lot of elegance. You must see, it's a lovely, elegant performance.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Shameen ji is learning from Guru Suresh Patki ji, and she's also affiliated with a project in Rotary.
Wow.
That's Suhana Safar, where they sing for various orphanage cancer patients. So it's really good.
Wow.
It's a bit contribution to the society back.
Yeah, Rotary does a lot.
Nice. Yeah. And she's singing a classic song from movie Waqt. And I know by now you must have guessed. It's by Asha ji.
Wow.
Any guesses?
Lovely song.
You did sing.
No, I don't know the song you were singing.
It's Aage Bhi Na Jaane Tu. Come on, let's enjoy this song by our
Lovely.
last performer tonight.
Thank you.
इस पर के जलमोरी महफिल सवारी है, इस पर की गर्मी धड़कन पुकारी है, इस पर के होने से दुनिया हमारी है, ये पर जो देखो तो सदियों पे भारी है, जीने वाले सोच ले यही वक्त है करने पूरी आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू. Lots of interlude, but then I guess that's how they built up the atmosphere of the song. La 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 la.
Shameem Bhootwala ji, you sang one of my all-time favorite songs, and moreover, this song suits the times. Of course, this song reminds us that each moment is so precious and we must enjoy and not let it go. And I just love the message you conveyed through this song. Keep it up.
People, I'm sure you loved the show. It was brilliant. What great performances, what great singing. 2 days of great singing and melodious songs. Must be a great treat to the ears, yeah? Very nice. Now that we finished with all the singing, the judges have gone through all the singers. They finally made the choices. Tough one, I'm sure. Very tough huh, to do all this, yeah? But they've done it. And we have the winners with us now, don't we?
Yeah, so I'm sure heartbeats are going faster.
Yeah, all these guys must be waiting
for the results.
But before we do that, the KGTL team would like to say a few words.
Much gratitude to our esteemed judges and to our show hosts. You guys simply rock. Okay? Purnima and Pooja, this was only possible because of you guys. To all the KG members out there, y'all have been a fantastic audience. Here's wishing you great times ahead. Take care and stay safe.
अरे क्या बोलती तू, अरे क्या मैं बोलूं, सुना अनाउंस रिजल्ट करे क्या, क्यों इतना जल्दी है अनाउंस करने का, थोड़ा तंग करेंगे, वेट कराएंगे और सस्पेंस बढ़ाएंगे और क्या. Good evening everybody, this is the grand finale of Kharjum Khana Talent League 2021. So Pooja, we're at the end of the show. We'd like to thank Vikas Kerkar for conceptualizing of the idea and our managing committee members who've always supported us in all our ventures.
Not to forget our show hosts who have been working brilliantly behind the scenes. Moreover, our judges all over the world putting up with us for over a month and doing a brilliant job with all our participants. And guess what, Purnima?
What?
Our judges have something to say to us.
Wow, that's really nice.
Let's have a look.
All right.
Hey everyone, this is Sandeep. I want to thank everyone from Kharjum Khana and also the Kharjum Khana Talent League for inviting me to be one of the judges for your singing competition. I had a ball listening to all the singers. Everyone was great, and especially the little ones. It's amazing to see these little ones sing, and they do so well nowadays. I'm almost like jealous, like why was I not singing when I was that little? But thank you again for inviting me. You know, I gave whatever little knowledge I have. I gave some feedback to you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'm from Mumbai myself. I miss the city. I love the city. I grew up over there. One of these days, after all this is over, if I come back, then maybe I'll get to see you guys. Again, thank you, Kharjum Khana, for inviting me. All the best to everyone, and please stay safe. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Raman Dua, and I'm making this video to share my experience as one of the judges of the singing competition organized by Kharjum Khana. First of all, I was thoroughly amazed with the way it was organized. It was presented to us in such a simplified manner. So congratulations to the team members and kudos to your hard work. Secondly, I was totally amazed to see the huge talent Kharjum Khana people have. There were participants of all the age groups, from the children to the senior citizens, and their enthusiasm and their talents were totally unmatched. In fact, it was very difficult for me to come to a conclusion as to who was the best, but I had a great time. I had a wonderful experience, and I was really honored to be a part of this super entertaining event. Thank you.
Hello, lovely contestants and wonderful members of Kharjum Khana Club. This is Shifali Saxena, and it was so much of fun judging all of you, and each one of you have put their heart into it, and I believe that is being called winner. You've been so nice, so excellent, and I thoroughly enjoyed watching this wonderful competition. So now it's a time to give remarks, and it's very tough because you've been so nice. And keep rocking. I believe participating itself means being a winner, being victorious, and that's all life is all about. Hope you are taking good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay safe, and get vaccinated. Cheers.
I truly enjoyed being part of this program and watching some great performances of Khar Gymkhana members. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourselves and each other.
That is so sweet of all of them. Hey Pooja, not to forget our members, without whom this would have been an impossible task. The young, the younger and the youngest, and our staff members who participated enthusiastically for this contest.
But how can we forget our audiences?
Right.
They have been glued to our show from all over the world.
Wow.
And not to forget, our viewership has been increased because of them to 4,000 in just over a week.
Wow. Hey, guess what, Pooja?
What?
Speaking of that, I have a very special guest today who would like to say a couple of words. Would you like to guess who it is?
No, I don't know. Any ideas?
Well, you'll have to find out. Over to you, guys. Lights, camera, action!
Thanks Purnima and Pooja. As most of you guys know, my name is Gaurav Kapadia and I've been enjoying this show from home, the KGATL, as much as I do think you too would be enjoying it. Such wonderful shows are put together by a team of people in the background who always need due appreciation. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our Khar Gymkhana team who has got this show together. Firstly, the one who conceptualized it, Vikas Kerkar, good job, well done. Also the people who have supported him well and been part of execution, Purnima and Pooja. Both of you guys been rocking, so great work. Last but not the least, the most important people are you guys who've been sitting at home watching and enjoying the show, because the appreciation and support that you have given this show has made it as good as it is. And of course, who can forget all the wonderful performers who took part and made the show special. Also like to add that taking part in this has been the most ultimate part of the show. So many people took part and everyone enjoyed it. So some won, some didn't win, but everyone is a winner because what is important is participating. So stay home, stay safe, enjoy the show and keep rocking.
And we're back. Thank you, Gaurav, for your kind words.
But it's time to say goodbye and good night, Purnima.
Aww. Before we go, I'd like to tell all our viewers that we are still playing small videos of all our winners along with their trophies on our YouTube channel, wherein the memory of KGTL will stay there
forever and ever.
Wow, that is awesome! Congratulations to everyone! You are Khar Gymkhana's talent! This is Purnima.
This is Pooja.
Suna, announce results करे क्या? चलो, चलो.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? It's time for the final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
We start with the second runner-up first. So I would announce that way. The second runner-up, then the first runner-up, then the winner, and the consolation
We
prize.
have actually, on honoring the winner, they've given a consolation prize
Yes,
also,
yes.
because they could not judge in between that who's very good, and also they
Yeah.
said they'll give a consolation prize.
Yeah.
You know?
So we move in that order.
Yeah.
So we start from group A.
Okay, great.
The you can say the second runner-up is Ayana Mehta.
Make a better place in the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the inside human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
Too good.
The first runner-up is Shivam Rao.
Wow. Too good.
जटाट जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले गले वलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजंग तुंग मालिकाम् शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंभो शंकरा शिव शंभो महा.
And the winner, my favorite. Can't be better than her, man. She's too good, deserves it. Ananya Dhomaya. Brilliant. This girl is too good and she's going to go a long way.
Consolation prize also.
Yes.
That's Jia Damania.
Yeah, she sang very well, huh? Very
Yes.
good. Great.
So,
Brilliant. Check it out.
a lot of applause for all these
Lovely
kids.
performance by all these kids. Love you guys. Keep it up. Keep it rocking.
Yes.
Love you guys.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she says to me. K Sarah, Sarah, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see.
Anyway,
Yes.
so we move to the prizes, and we can say here there were very few entries in this
Yeah, I don't know why.
age group.
Yeah.
So we have the first runner-up is Yana.
Oh, she's too good, yeah. Yana is super. Very good singer. She's first runner, right? Lovely.
ना तो मैया की लोरी ना ही फागुन की होरी मोहे कुछ दूसरा ना भाई रे जब से नैना ये जाके एक धनुर्धर से लागे तब से बिरहा मोहे सताए रे ना तो मैया की लोरी ना ही फागुन की होरी मोहे कुछ दूसरा ना भाई रे.
Then we have the winner.
Ah.
He was amazing.
Yeah, it's too good.
He's Bimal Neelchandra.
Wow, the guy playing the guitar also.
Yes.
Brilliant, too good. Super.
वो दूर रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं हो ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पी जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे.
And we have a consolation prize
Yeah,
also.
lovely.
That's Laisha Walecha.
Great. Congrats, yeah.
जय गणेश जय जय गणेश जय जय गणेश देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती जय हो 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 जय हो।
We move to the next group, that is Group C. And the songs were amazing.
This
It
was a very big group, actually.
Big group.
A massive, the largest number of entries were in
Really
this group,
tough for judges to
must have been
score.
very tough because lovely performances.
I
Very
must
good.
say each participant is a winner because the gap between their marks were very less. Yet we have to choose the winners.
Yeah.
So we start with the second runner-up, that's Sagar Mazumdar.
Oh wow, Sagar is brilliant.
वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा रोके जमाना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा निभाना पड़ेगा।
And then the first runner-up is Manisha Jethwani.
Oh, Manisha, Queen, what a singer.
तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है ये उठी सुबह चले ये झुके शाम ढले।
Any guesses for the winner? I'm sure थोड़े मतलब she was
Tough,
amazing.
very tough.
It was tough,
She?
tough to she yeah. I just revealed it.
थोड़ा रिवील कर रही है.
She is Aparna Gulati.
क्या बात अपर्णा, super.
इसलिए मैंने उसे दिल में छुपा कर रख लिया इसलिए मैंने उसे दिल में छुपा कर रख लिया जब भी जाता है वो जल्दी लौट कर आता नहीं अब नया कोई भी मंजर दिल को बहलाता नहीं।
Very good song. Yeah. She sang so brilliantly. Yeah.
Yes.
Brilliant.
And we do have a consolation prize also
we
in
need
this
it.
group.
In this you should have two, but actually one is getting it. There's so many singers.
She is Reshma Mulchandani.
Lovely Reshma. Great.
छूकर मेरे मन को या तूने क्या इशारा बदलाए मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को या तूने क्या इशारा।
We move to the group D, which is the last group of 55 years plus
Wow.
singers.
Great.
So our second runner-up is Leena Damli.
क्या बात लीना.
रोज़ रोज़ डाले डाले क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा बावरा रोज़ रोज़ डाले डाले क्या लिख जाए भंवरा बावरा।
We have a first runner-up, Shamim Bootwala.
अरे शमीम जी, brilliant. Very good.
we have our winner.
My favorite.
My favorite too.
Naushil.
My favorite too. You've guessed right. It's Mangla Nath. And we have a consolation prize which goes to a lovely singer, Asha Bachchan.
अरे
ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है, खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशां सा, वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने.
Very good.
It was amazing being there with you for these 2 days with my
Amazing.
friend Naushil.
क्या बात है.
And really, hearing the songs again. It was a great journey and great journey presenting to you.
Yeah. Thank you for bearing with this madness of ours and this stupidity. If we made a few mistakes, we've gone wrong somewhere. It's all okay.
And I would
Part
say
of
it's
life.
not an end, it's a beginning to the next one coming up. So,
क्या बात है. We're waiting for the next one.
Yeah, be
I'm
ready.
going to take part in that one, and you guys too.
Yeah, be ready for it. Hope you all enjoyed. Take care.
God
Shabbat
bless.
khair.
Alvida.